what do we have here? The Google Pixel Fold along with the Pixel Watch. So let's open it up. Google Store. Wow. I suppose this is the phone. Yeah. And we have a Pixel Watch. I got both of these in black Obsidian color. Let's open it up. Which one do you want to go first? First. This one. Of course, the favorite one. So it's a decent packaging. All the details here. Yep. I got the 256. I don't need a knife. Yeah. Yep. So there it is. Google Pixel Fold. Wow. I waited for a long time for this. That is so nice. Yep. So it's kind of matte black, dark gray, which is good. I kind of like it. That's the sound. So what else is in there? Some standard care, SIM card toolkit, and a USB-C cable, which probably no one's gonna use. Got them side. I'll still have this on the side. And let's turn it up. Oh, the fingerprint is a physical button, which is good. It's heavy. Like, if you use a regular phone, I have a Pixel 7. So if you use a phone like this, it's close to a 1/3 more, I would say. Yeah, 30-40% more than a regular phone. So here we have. Actually, I like it. This is really usable. Like, I can reach the entire screen anytime. There we go. Yep. I'll go ahead with the setup. But yeah, so this is, wow. My first phone, by the way. Folding phone. Probably a 50th. Wow. That sound is really, really good. Cool. I'll finish up the setup now. As you can see, it's getting copied from my daily driver to the Pixel Fold. I get to choose what I copy. I'll probably select everything. The data is getting copied. This is how both the phones look. This is a Pixel 7 lemongrass, and this is Pixel Fold Obsidian. So yeah, great. And a Pixel Watch. I'm just using it as a table. No offense. I'm going to set up. All my apps are getting installed. Yeah, I feel great using it so far. It's interesting. Same things that every YouTuber says. I don't want to repeat it, but like, yeah, my impressions are it's good. I don't care about the bezels, and I'm fine with the home screen getting mirrored in the internal screen. I'm fine. The only thing I am thinking about is, I don't know if it happens with every other foldable. It's my first foldable. when I'm using something, probably I'm opening this up, it takes a minute, and then it just, I don't know if it's during the setup I'm having two, three imports going on. It's installing about 200 apps that I use daily. So yeah, that's my initial observations, but overall I like it a lot. The sound and everything, yep, I love it. So overall I'm looking forward to use it for a very long time. As I said, it's kind of little heavy, but it's very good in the hand. Like you can easily hold it, use it across the screen with single hand. You may not open it with a single hand, but still it does the job, and it's great. Like I am already starting to like it a lot. Alright, thank you so much for watching.